What's up, everybody? Money Mindset here, and let me tell you something. The hustle is real, but the game has changed. You want to make serious cash like $1,000 a day selling awesome t-shirts? Forget about storing boxes in your mom's basement. We're talking print on demand, baby. And guess what's going to take it to the next level? You got it, AI. That's right, artificial intelligence is your new best friend, your secret weapon to crushing it in the t-shirt game. We're talking killer designs, automated sales, and marketing that would make Madison Avenue cry. Hey there, dream chasers. Are you ready to unlock the secret to making $1,000 a day selling custom t-shirts without stocking inventory or breaking the bank? It's all possible with print on demand and the incredible power of AI. Stick around because I'm going to share the tools, tips, and tricks you need to launch your AI-powered t-shirt business today. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you design, market, and sell your t-shirts while you focus on growing your brand. With AI, you can automate the tedious tasks and concentrate on what you love, creating and innovating. From analyzing market trends to suggesting design improvements, AI is your ultimate business partner. So if you're ready to take your t-shirt business to the next level, stay tuned. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Let's dive in and explore how you can start earning $1K a day with AI-powered print-on-demand t-shirts. With the right tools and strategies, you can turn your t-shirt business into a money-making machine. So buckle up and get ready to transform your business with AI. The future of t-shirt selling is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. All right, first things first, we gotta talk designs. Listen, you don't need to be the next Picasso or whatever. AI's got your back. Tools like Canva and Midjourney, they're like having a design team on speed dial, available 24/7. We're talking about creating fire designs in minutes, not days, not weeks, minutes. And hey, if you're thinking, how do I know what's hot, what's selling? Don't even sweat it. AI's got you covered there too. Trendy, my friends, trendy. This tool analyzes the trends, sees what people are actually searching for, and boom, you can tailor your designs to match that demand. You're not just selling t-shirts, you're selling what people actually want to buy. Imagine having a tool that not only helps you design but also predicts what will be a hit. It's like having a crystal ball for your t-shirt business. And the best part? You can focus on what you love creating, while AI handles the heavy lifting. So get ready to design like a pro and watch your t-shirt business soar. With AI, the possibilities are endless, and your creativity can truly shine. So dive in, experiment, and let AI elevate your designs to the next level. Your journey to becoming a design pro starts now. Okay, you got the designs, now what? You need to turn those designs into dollars. You gotta build that sales machine, but listen, you ain't got time to be dealing with every single order yourself. It's a lot of work, and it can get overwhelming. That's where automation comes in, and you better believe AI is the key. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Platforms like Shopify, they're your online storefront, your digital cash register. They make it easy to manage your products and sales. Connect that bad boy with print-on-demand services like Printify or Printful, and you've got yourself a fully automated system. These services handle the printing and shipping for you. Someone orders a shirt, boom! It gets printed and shipped directly to their door, no need for you to lift a finger. It's seamless and efficient. And the best part, AI chatbots can handle all the customer service stuff 24/7. They can answer questions, process returns, and more. That's right, your customers are taken care of even while you're sleeping. Imagine waking up to find that your business has been running smoothly all night. With AI, you can scale your business without scaling your workload. More sales, less stress. So, get your AI sales team in place and watch your business grow. It's the future of e-commerce, and it's here now. Now, let's talk marketing, because you can have the best t-shirts in the world. But if nobody knows about them, you're not gonna sell anything. And guess what? AI is a marketing genius. ChatGPT can write killer ad copy in seconds, the kind of copy that makes people click buy now without thinking twice. And then there's Jasper AI, your social media guru, crafting posts that grab attention like a Kardashian at a supermarket opening. But hold on, it gets even better. Want to target the right people with your ads, the ones who are actually interested in what you're selling? AI-powered analytics tools like Adespresso are your secret weapon. They analyze data, optimize your campaigns, and make sure your ads are seen by the people most likely to buy. We're talking about maximizing your return on investment, folks. And let's not forget about email marketing. AI can personalize email campaigns, making them more effective and engaging. By analyzing customer behavior, AI helps you understand what your customers want and how to better serve them. AI can even help with pricing strategies, ensuring you're competitive while maximizing profits. And don't forget inventory management. AI can predict demand and help you keep the right amount of stock. Finally, AI can enhance customer service with chatbots that provide instant, accurate responses to customer inquiries. With all these AI tools at your disposal, you're set to skyrocket your t-shirt business to new heights. So, get ready to unleash the power of AI and watch your sales soar. All right, let's talk numbers. We're aiming for that $1,000 a day, right? Now that might sound like a lot, but it's totally doable, and I'm going to show you how. Let's say you're selling each shirt for a $10 profit. That means you need to sell 100 shirts a day. Sounds like a lot? Not when you've got AI on your side. With AI-powered design, automation, and marketing, you can scale your business faster than you ever thought possible. We're talking about reaching a wider audience, automating your operations, and optimizing your marketing for maximum impact. So you're not just selling 100 shirts a day, you're building a brand, a community, a movement. Imagine having AI generate unique designs that resonate with your audience. AI can analyze market trends and customer preferences, giving you insights that were previously unimaginable. And with automated production, you can meet demand without breaking a sweat. Your marketing efforts become more effective with AI-driven campaigns, reaching the right people at the right time. Positive customer reviews and high ratings will follow, boosting your brand's reputation. So, let's harness the power of AI and turn that dream of earning $1,000 a day into a reality. Together, we'll build something amazing. Let's get started. I told you the future is here, and it's powered by AI. And listen, I'm not just talking about some futuristic fantasy here. I'm talking about real people, just like you, using these tools right now to build incredible businesses. Don't just take my word for it, check out what these folks are saying. They're crushing it with their own AI-powered t-shirt empires, and you can too. AI is your business partner in this venture. Ready to start your print-on-demand empire and make that $1,000 a day? Hit the like button if you're inspired, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips. See you in the next video. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you design the perfect t-shirt. From brainstorming to finalizing designs, AI can streamline your entire process. And it's not just about design. AI can help you manage your store, track sales, and even predict trends. With AI, you have the power to make data-driven decisions that can skyrocket your business. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI-powered print-on-demand and start building your empire today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.